AI is doing wonder. AI is able to generate my description, generate my title, generate the right hashtag, generate the right keyword, generate the professional thumbnail for me. I don't do anything. I don't stress myself. I don't have time to stress myself to come and edit video. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do that thing for free. And if you watch the video you don't like, you don't comment, that you can say, I'm going to help you remove a heavy body now. That moment that you are using to type pam, 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 you are using to crack your brain for hashtag, you are using to crack your brain for keyword, you are using to crack your brain for title. You are using, you even do it, they will not even match the SEO, the search engine or optimization. They will not even reach the optimization reach. Those ones that you are cracking, but you let AI do the work by themselves. You don't need to, you just have to enter the prompt and you see the work done. You understand? So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do that thing, how to generate your professional thumbnail, how to get your best description, the right hashtag, the keyword, every single thing that you need to know. So stick with me, like this video, comment, and subscribe. And without wasting our time, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, let's start with creating your professional thumbnail. In order to do this, we have an app to download, and the app is called Pixel Lab. So you go to your Google Play Store and you type Pixel Lab. You can see it here. You can see it here. Pixel Lab. So when you click on Pixel Lab, you will have this app here, picture editor. You can see now. You will click install. So when you click install, it will be loading like. So let's wait till that thing is installed. Let's wait till the installed. Okay, as you can see, we have installed the app. We just have to open it. So while I open the app, please don't forget that we are doing this for everyone. So you just have to make sure that you are good to go. Okay, so in order to do this, we will come here. We are in the stage of generating what is it called, thumbnail. So just have to look at me. You come to this place. When you come to this place, when you press it, you come to this place again. This place called image size. When you come to image size, you will click on it. Now you now click on here, this place called custom. So when you click on that place called custom, you will now see YouTube thumbnail. Look at it too. You see YouTube thumbnail, not YouTube channel banner or YouTube thumbnail. You can see them. So when you see YouTube thumbnail, you create. After that one, you will say okay. All right. When you click okay, now you can just delete this one. Now what you want to do is you will come to from gallery. You come from gallery. See from gallery here. You can either choose picture. From this gallery. Let's go. Let me see picture. Let me see. Maybe I can see one picture to choose. I'm sorry. I just have to choose one picture. So let me choose this my picture. So when I choose this my picture, I have something like this. Okay, you can just drag it. Make sure it's stay normal. So you can just put it like this. Now we have thumbnail in my own picture. Alright, we have thumbnail in my own picture. It's what happen. If you don't want to make it like this, you just have to do what? If you don't want to make it like this, you just have to come here. You come transparent. So when you come transparent, by that time, you will have this picture. You will have removed the background. Let me show you some. So in order to remove your background, you will come to this app. If you don't have, you can go to this app called remove background. You can go to Google Play Store and type remove BG. So when you type remove BG, you will see this app will show. So when it show, just have to install it. So you will come to remove BG. So when you come to remove BG, and you will have something like this. So when you open, you will see something like this. So when you see something like this, you just have to upload image. You see, while using the app, you will click on your gallery and you look for your picture. Let me look for the one that I wanted to upload and remove the background. Now you will see, let's see, you see that's upload now. I just have to wait and let the AI do the work and help me remove the background. And you see the magic apple. And now that the background that we remove, I just have to click on download. You see download here, and I click on preview, download. I click on preview, and now I have my picture fully background removed. So I'll just have to go back to where we are coming from. Let's assume I have this transparent background. I will just have to bring that my picture. I just have to bring my picture, so you can see how to make a video with the background. You click that place, it will remove all the everything. Meanwhile, the size is still remain the same. The YouTube thumbnail size is still remain the same. And you will go to this place. You go to this place. Look at it. You press it, and when you press this place, you will come to image. And when you come to image, you will select the image. That's your image that you just remove with background. When you select it, you will come here. If you don't like the way the picture is positioned, you can just come to this place. You press that place. So when you press it, it will change the position. You can see that my own has been changed now. So you can just drag it. You can press this place. You can drag this place. This one to increase the, you can see, can increase it. So when you increase it to your own satisfaction, so you will bring it down here. Now when you bring it here, all you have to do is to save it. You will just go to this place and save it. So when you click on here, you will now press save as image. You now say save to gallery. So now it has been saved. The next step is to go to Google Chrome, and when you go to Google Chrome, you will type Gemini. Yes, you type Gemini. So when you type Gemini, it will bring you this one. Look at this. So this is one we are going to use. You type Gemini. So you click on it. When you click on it, you will have this place. Actually, it may tell you to, as a first time person that want to join, it may tell you to log in. So when you want to log in, you can just log in with your Google account. And what you have to do right now is to come here. What you have to do right now is to come to this plus button. When you come to that plus button, you will now press upload file. After that upload file, it will take you to your gallery. You now press download. That download button. So when you press download button, that's that picture that you just saved from your Pixel app, which is this one. You will import it. Just wait, make it load. You see the picture has been loaded now, and the next thing that you are going to do is that you will type use this image to generate professional thumbnail for me. Use the image on top use the picture on the image and design your own and design the thumbnail on your own. All right, on your own. You can see, and design the thumbnail on your own. And now you will tell Google Gemini that you can change the position of the image and the direction of the image to get the best to get the best results. You understand? Now, if you have what you want Google Gemini to write on the thumbnail, you will now say test on it. You will put these 2 dots. Maybe I want to say what do I want to say? Top 5 app you need right now. This is what I want the AI to write on the thumbnail. You can see now. I can just say okay. I will now press this place. You see, I now press this place, just like I want to send message. I'll press this place, and when I press this, it will tell me okay. It will tell me just a seconds. You understand? It will tell me just a seconds, and just a seconds you'll be seeing, and there it's generating our image. You can see now it's generating our image. So, and boom, we have image. We have Google. You can see now we have it right there. And now let's assume, and now you see that you have it right there. You can just do what? You can just click on download. And now let's assume that you need a title or description or what is it called, keyword for your video. Now you can just come to this place. You can just say okay, generate SEO title for YouTube video. High best description. Write hashtag and searchable keyword. You see all this I'm teaching for free so you can learn. You don't come and tell me that I don't know what to do. Okay, so you now say video hint. That means if you don't have title, you say video hint, and you put that to do dots. Now maybe you want to tell the AI that your video is about top 5 the how to make money online. So you just tell them the video is about how to make jollof rice. Let's type down how to make jollof rice. How to make jollof rice. Sorry, how to make jollof rice with small money. All right. Now, based on this hint, Google AI Gemini is going to generate you hashtag, best description, the right hashtag, the right title, and most searchable keyword. Now you press go. So, and here we go. You see, and now the list onto us. You can see the ultimate bucket jollof rice reserve. Feed a family cheaply. That is title option. They say you can only pick one among these things. You can see how to make jollof rice with small money, low budget Nigeria jollof rice tutorial. You can see now, and this is your description. You can see, and this is your hashtag, and this is your what is it called? Your keyword. Now, mostly if you want to use keyword, you just have to do what? You just have to copy it and paste it. And how to copy, you can just copy everything. I just type copy and look for somewhere to, somewhere to paste it. I just look for somewhere to paste it in your time, in your pad. So you can just edit it. I just edit it. I just do little edition, and when you want to post, you can just copy them and paste it to your paste description in description, paste hashtag in where hashtag supposed to be, and paste jollof rice where keyword where keyword supposed to be. And I have link in the video below where you can put the right place to put your hashtag, the right place to put your keyword, the right place to put your description and the length of the description. And without wasting our time, boom guy, we just created the amazing video for you. I hope you like the video, and I hope you learn a lot from the video, and hope it helped you doing your channel very well, so can help you grow your channel very, very well. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This is your guy Omoni Benadibo Ali Mike, and as always, see you in my next video. Thank you.